Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Do this now. Load the only way profile in the parametric transformer. It ensures preset parameters match Genshin's data structures. Make sure to back up your save and config files so you can revert if needed. Once done, verify game version and transformer compatibility. Mismatches will break values. Now initialize the transformer with default safety limits so changes apply incrementally rather than all at once. Now adjust parameters. Change only one category at a time so you can trace effects. You should increase values by small increments, 5% or 0.05, to avoid destabilizing character data. This lets you observe balance shifts. Use the transformer's preview mode to run simulated checks and review outputs before committing. Also lock dependent stats, talent multipliers, or weapon modifiers so they don't auto-adjust and cause commit changes using the transformer's safe apply option and immediately create a new save slot for testing. You need to verify in-game, test combat, UI, and world interactions for a couple of minutes so you catch runtime issues. If you see glitches or crashes, stop and restore the pre-transform backup, then reapply adjustments in smaller increments. A key troubleshooting tip: if values fail validation, reduce the change magnitude and lock related fields before retrying to prevent repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.